Buy low, sell high. If you want to be successful in real estate investing, that is so very important. There's a little strategy that will allow you to consistently and constantly find properties at a massive discount, regardless of the real estate economy and the prices of houses and the demand for housing. It is called driving for dollars. What's crazy to me is most people think this is just a strategy for beginners, and they have no idea and realize that this can be done on a large scale and really generate over $1 million a year. I know that this is possible because I am consistently doing it myself. I make over $1 million a year, and I have students all across the country that are doing this. I'm going to talk about the main ingredients, and more specifically, the main ingredient to making sure you have a successful and profitable driving for dollars marketing system. Hey everyone, this channel is set up for you and your success in your real estate journey. So make sure you subscribe if you're serious about being successful, and to not miss out on a single video, hit that bell icon so you don't miss a single video that could put over $1 million in your pocket. Hey everyone, my name is Zack Boothe, and over the last handful of years, I have made millions of dollars using driving for dollars and taught this strategy to hundreds of people across the country and put millions of dollars in my students' pockets. Let me know if you thought or understood that driving for dollars was just for beginners, but not necessarily possible to build $1 million business. Let me know in the comments, yes or no below. One of the most important factors when it comes to doing driving for dollars is selecting which properties that you decide to send marketing to, which houses you add to your marketing list and which ones you do not. So the criteria is very, very important. If you follow the criteria that I'm going to give you in this video, you can add anywhere between 30 to 100 properties in every single hour of driving. And this is in decent areas. We're going to talk about where to drive, how to drive, the technologies that we use, and we're going to go for a drive right now with my driver, and we're going to show you the app, how it works, what to look for, and I'm going to give you a free resource in the show notes. It's my exact driving for dollars criteria. So let's go get to work and I'll show you. Hey everyone, I have recruited my buddy Miguel. Miguel, say hi.
Hey guys, how's it going again?
Yeah, so Miguel's been with me forever. He's helped me with the marketing, sending postcards, cold calling, the driving, managing our drivers, rock star. Couldn't do all this without him. So he's gonna take us for a drive today, and I'm gonna show you some of the things here on my phone and screen share all of that. So take us away, take us to an area. So the big thing is he's gonna take us to an area that is median house price or lower. So if you wanna identify the area, go to Google and type in median house price and then your city. And then you're gonna find your median house price, and you can go to Zillow and find all the properties for sale or all the sold properties in the area, and you find the median house prices are lower, and those are good areas to start driving, okay? So once you identify, hey, I'm gonna go do some driving for dollars, you're gonna need the DealMachine app. So let me show you the features. Once you log in, this is the home screen on your phone. It's a little different if you log in on your computer. So once you log in, there's a few things you want to do. Well, first off, you're going to get the app, use my discount code PIN, P-I-N. That's going to get you a free trial so you can check this out and use this, okay? And go over to this top left corner. It says PIN mode right now. You click on that button, and then you're going to hit tap to add. So there's PIN mode, crosshair, and tap to add. PIN mode, you have to touch the house on the map and then approve it, and it takes a second to load it. It takes a minute. Crosshair mode, you have to get out of your car and take a picture of the house. Some people like doing that because then they have a picture on the postcard they send, but I've tested it and it doesn't get you more deals, right? You might get a higher response rate, meaning more people will say go pound sand and die, but you're not gonna get more leads of people that actually want to sell their house. So you're gonna hit tap to add, okay? So you wanna make sure it's on tap to add. Plus when you start driving, you wanna hit start drive, bottom left corner. You can do free drive mode. And what this is going to do is start highlighting the area you're driving. It's going to track how many hours you drove, how many addresses you added within the time that you drove, all of those different things. And so I'm driving right now. And then when you want to stop your drive, you hit stop drive, okay? The other thing that you can do is, see this little button here on the top right corner? You can hit this little button and you can hit satellite or standard. I like it in satellite mode. Miguel actually likes it in standard mode. It's a preference thing, but I prefer it that way. So the reason I do that is I can identify the color of the roof. It's just one more way to be able to see the property within the map. So if you lose your little dot of where you are, Just hit this button here at the top. Why did it freeze on me? There we go. All right. We tapping? We ready?
Almost there.
Almost there. Miguel picked an area so we can be adding properties. We've got 2,000 to add, right, Miguel?
That's right.
Where are we at for the week?
We have 1,700 properties for the week.
We have 1,700 and it's Friday afternoon. So Miguel's taking advantage of content creation and getting some marketing at the same time. So here we go. This is not the best time to drive. We got kids getting out of school, so 10 points per kid, 5 points per dog.
Here we have one.
So here's one. So this house right here, we're gonna add it. So it has peeling paint. It's old shingles or old siding with peeling paint. Other than that, it's pretty decent shape, but any physical signs of neglect is the key. And we're just gonna keep the camera rolling so you guys can see. So like we're just looking like quality of the yard, quality of the house, peeling paint. So all these are looking good. But we want to be shooting for 30 to 100 properties an hour. 125, I'm gonna add it. It's old. Windows, definitely add this one. Super old looking. So, and all I'm doing is just touching the screen. Yeah. Add this one, partly painted. Look at that, partly painted. Like, what the hell? Someone was tweaking and had a busy afternoon and gave up. So we'll add 324. Yeah, it's just crazy. Like I identify a house and I just touch a button. Before you'd have to write down the addresses and go to the county website. The app makes it doable to do this on a large scale. Both those, you think? You got someone behind you.
I can just pull over for a second then.
Yeah. Should we add this one, dead yard?
Yeah, dead yard. So much of a dated like color.
Which house is that? 368. Yeah. So the cool thing is it has the house number on the house, and plus it'll show you where you're at, right, as you're going.
I'll look 385 too.
385. Okay.
Let's see if there's any things. A little messy. Standard. So the house number was 388. Peeling paint and everything.
So make sure you go and hit that like button. We are giving you a free gift. So I'm bribing you, hit that like button. You can go to the show notes and get the exact criteria of what all the things are that we're looking for. And we've tested this with tens of thousands, hundreds of thousands of addresses that we've marketed to over the last handful of years. Just last year, 2021, I sent over 160,000 postcards to my Driving for Dollars list. So in summary, Driving for Dollars is not just for beginners. This is a process and a system that can be implemented and scaled to a large scale. You can make hundreds of thousands, if not millions of dollars a year doing this. I don't promote Driving for Dollars. I don't have my students do Driving for Dollars because I think it's fun or sexy or cool. I do it because it has been the most profitable and the most consistent marketing channel that I've ever used and ever tested. So if you're serious about this, go get the DealMachine app, use the discount code PIN, go to the show notes and get the exact criteria and go get to work. Start building out that list and reach out to those people that want to sell their house or have highest chances of wanting to sell their house for speed and convenience. If you guys are needing a coach, you're needing a mentor, go to the show notes. I'm gonna leave a link. It's dfdmastery.com/get started. You can jump on a call and talk to us about the coaching program. I'm gonna give you the outline, the steps, everything you need to do to get started real estate wholesaling and real estate investing. You got someone behind you.
It happens all the time.
Oh, I'm sure it annoys the crap out of everyone. Anyways, thank you guys so much. You can go ahead and check out me doing this live in person. I flew to Tampa with $1,000. I turned that $1,000 into $93,000 in just 40 days. So go to the video right here above me, click on that link to get full access to that 40-day challenge. Hope you guys enjoy it, and we'll see you in the next one. Driving for Dollars criteria. Thanks, Miggy.
No worries.
I love you. You love me?
Yeah,
You love me?
I do.